Lesson 5. The Sea. Listen and say. A fish. A seahorse. A crab. A shell. A shark. A fish. A seahorse. A crab. A shell. A shark.
Hey, what's this?
It's a big white fish.
Hey, what's this?
It's a small green crab.
Hey, what's this?
It's a big gray shark.
Hey, what's this?
It's a small red shell.
Hey, what's this?
It's a seahorse, of course. Read and match. Right. It's a black fish. It's a yellow seahorse. It's a big blue shell. It's a brown crab. It's a small green fish. It's a gray shark. Circle 8 words. Head. Fish. Crab. Big. Seahorse. Small. Shell. Shark. Listen and say. Pink. Orange. Brown. Purple. Count and write. 1, 2, 3. 3 blue fish. 1 orange fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 yellow shells. 1 purple shell. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 brown crabs. 1. 1 pink crab. Listen and say. Shells. Crabs. Starfish. Turtles. Word bank. Crabs. Fish. Seahorses. Sharks. Shells. Starfish. Turtles. Listen, point and say. J. Jellyfish. Jet. K. Kiss. King. L. Leg. Lion.
Turtles and starfish and seahorses, 2 turtles and starfish and seahorses, 2 turtles and starfish and seahorses, 2 and fish in brown, black, purple, green and blue. Red shells and gray sharks and pink shells too. Red shells and gray sharks and pink shells too. Red shells and gray sharks and pink shells too. All the colors in the sea so blue.
Listen and number. 6 fish. 2 turtles. 2 starfish. 3 shells. 3 crabs. 4 seahorses. Ask, answer, and write.
What are these?
They're shells. Shells.
What are these?
They're crabs. Crabs.
What are these?
They're fish. Fish.
What are these?
They're seahorses. Seahorses.
What are these?
They're turtles. Turtles.
What are these?
They're starfish. Starfish. Listen and write. Turtle. Seahorses. Starfish. Turtles. Seahorse. Shells. Crab. Shark. Sharks. Crabs. Shell. Thank you for learning with us. We stop here. See you next time with Lesson 6, Wild Animals. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Bye-bye.